In this video, I'll show you how to tag people on Instagram Reels. Now, if you want to tag your friends, your family, or your close friends, let me say it's on Instagram and you want to post on Instagram, open your Instagram. What you need to do, click on this plus icon, click on the Reels, select the reel you want to post. Let me say if I want to select, I'm going to just select this. I'm going to click on the next. Click on the next. You're going to see the tag people option. Click on it. Click on this plus so you can come on here, tag your friends. Once you're done, you can come on and enter a caption. I can just type in my new video. So this is it. Click on the OK. Once you are done, click on the next. You're going to be able to tag people on your Instagram reel. Once you have posted it, the people you tag is going to see, or the person you tag is going to see the post you tagged him in. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video.